Hi everyone, Elvira. I got a really easy spinach dip with avocado. So I've been smashing this here with the masher, like that. Okay. Now, for the spinach, I boiled it, and then you squish it out like this. You get all the water out. That's what you're gonna do. Okay. And it's super, super easy. Just boil it, and this is one of my favorites. It's really easy to do, and you don't need a lot of time. You know, you can do other things while you're doing that. And I makes 8 1/3 cup servings. So, and then you're gonna use a container of sour cream too. So let's get this out and bring that in. Wash my hands here. Okay. So you're gonna season to taste some seasoned salt, onion powder, pepper, and some sea salt. I already know the calorie count because I figured it out because it's real easy to make. It is 78.62 for the calories. Carbs is 7.50. Fat is 2.62. And protein is 4.36. So if you think about it, it's much, there's not a lot of carbs, there's no byproducts, you know, this is all fresh, and things like that. And then I'm going to use a container of fat-free sour cream. Now, I got this at Meijer's. So, I'm going to get a spoon out to, oh, I do have it. So, I'm getting tired. But I have to have some food to eat this week because I'll be working long hours. And I have to have healthy stuff. I'm not going to buy stuff at the store. And this whole week I've been eating Thanksgiving. And I'm tired of Thanksgiving. So, okay. Let me get a spoon and we'll stir it up. You're just going to mix it like this. And I use it for like vegetables. I put it on vegetables. I put it on, you know, I use crackers, or sometimes I'll grill some pita bread. That's what it looks like. And I boiled the spinach. Took it out, you know, drained it and everything. And I figured everybody knows how to boil fresh spinach. So, and everybody knows how to clean an avocado and then just mash it up. So, taste it. Maybe I need more onion powder. Sea salt. I just season to taste. I don't measure on this one. Neither will you. Because you want it to have a good taste. That's all you want. It's real simple. This is why I like it. Because it's simple. That's why I eat a lot of spinach. Like that. And I leave it chill, usually about an hour or so, and then I serve it, you know, like I said, with grilled pita bread, crackers, veggies, you know, it's a good veggie dish. Perfect. Just where I want it. Show you how I garnish it. I put it in my bowls. As soon as I find my bowl, Elvira's getting tired. Been up since 5. It's been a very long day. So, put in a bowl. And I used 3 cups of fresh spinach. That's all I used. That turned out really good. Okay. And then garnish it with Hungarian paprika. Like that. And I let it chill. Again, the calories are 78.62, carbohydrates 7.50, fat 2.62, protein 4.36. Just take 3 cups of spinach, boil it, drain it, squeeze all the water out, peel an avocado, mash it, add a container of sour cream with the seasonings I showed you, boom. Can't beat it, a healthy dip. And it's a lot better than, I was looking at the ones at the store, and the carbs are a lot higher than what this is. God bless everybody. I'll see you this weekend. So we have a great dinner this weekend. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep God and the angels in your life, and I will see you soon. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Bye!